This is part 2 of the rapids video. We're looking down the river Zambezi with Zambia on the left and Zimbabwe on the right. And this is a fantastic example to show you 4 rapids. You've got the far one, and the penultimate one is a smaller one. Then you've got the second one and the first one. Unfortunately, you can't turn the camera on its side to show you them all in one frame. As I said, rapids are formed when you've got vertical stratus of soft rock between hard rock. You've got the water carrying rocks and boulders and pebbles, causing abrasion. So you will have the water plus the rocks being carried eroding the soft bands of rock. And that means beneath the surface of the water there's a change of volume. Where the riverbed is constant in its profile, you'll have a smooth surface of water. But when there is a depression which is sudden, you'll have a lot of water filling that extra space, and that will cause the turbulence, the waves, the unpredictability of the flow of water, which generates adrenaline, extreme sports. But for timid people like me, I'm just leaning over the side of the bridge 111 meters over the rapids, and this bridge is 111 years old today, in 2016, on September the 11th, I think. And all the activities here are free or a fraction of the price. Now you can see the chair ride across the river on the wire. That's free, but I didn't take it. But I'm having a great time recording the geography and explaining it, especially to children who I'm lucky enough to teach and hopefully inspire. So when you look at the diagram in your textbook, you draw it and you have to explain how rapids are formed. This video should be the pinnacle of inspiration. This is teacher Mr. Michael Turner signing off, saying to you, go and see the real world and take in as much geography as you can and be inspired and pass it on to other people. These are the same rapids, looking from the Zimbabwe side of the river with the sun behind the camera. So you can see the rock formations on the gorge on the Zambian side. You can see the 3 rapids in the background, and coming in to the closest one. And we'll lift the camera and catch people riding the chair, squawking with excitement as they are travelling to be collected by this reliable gentleman here. Now this is the bit that would worry me if I wasn't collected. It's definitely a place for the young. I do think there's a psychological process of the older people not doing this, because I've not seen anybody over 40. So this is a paradise for adrenaline junkies, or for geography teachers, or for anybody who enjoys seeing the world. Rapid 1, 2, 3 and 4.